Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how can you archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Instagram profile, go straight to your profile and open up your profile. After coming on your profile, tap on the specific post which you want to archive. Tap on three dots on top right of that post. It will give you these options. You have to tap on archive. You have to repeat the same process in another post, and after archiving it, now you have to proceed towards unarchived. So in terms to do that, to move forward and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. It will show you these options. Now you have to tap on archive and it will take you to this page. Now you have to move forward and then tap on three dots in the upper right corner of your screen. You have to tap on post archived and it will show you your archives post in this folder. Tap on it and tap on three dots in the top right of your post. You have to tap on delete and then tap on show on profile and your post will be visible to the public. It will be unarchived. So this is how you can archive or unarchive your photo. I hope you like the video and I hope this video will help you in any way. Thank you so much for watching the video. By following these steps, you can unarchive or archive your post on Instagram.